Gmail is using your email address or your email account and activities on your email address to train the AI. And this is a very risky thing because all your activities, your task information, your bank information, your receipt app is using to train the AI on this platform. In order to put your security, your privacy to the top notch, go ahead right away and turn off these two settings so that Gmail will not be able to use your email address again to train their AI machine. So you can do this using your mobile device as well as laptop. So guys, in this video we're going to focus solely on laptop. Now come to log into your account, then come to this GL icon, click on it. Once you click on the GL icon, then click on see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, then it comes out like, then scroll down under general tab, scroll down to get to a button called smart features. So once you get that button called smart feature, this particular button here, you see it here, but take a look at what is here, that everything here is active. Now locate smart feature. What does smart feature does? Turn on smart features in Gmail. Now it's turned on. When you turn these settings on, you agree to let Gmail chat and meet use your context and activities in this product to provide smart features and personalize your experience. Meanwhile, this information will never reveal when you log into your email address. So click on this button to uncheck it. Once you click on this button, here you see this small window that pop up. This window says turn off smart features and personalization. You need to reload this mail, so click on turn off. Once you click on turn off, don't worry, your Gmail account will reload again, either on your mobile device or on your desktop device or machine. Now come to this settings icon again and click on it. Then under the same place, see all settings, click on it. Now in this time around, you scroll down, you can see that this grammar has turned off, spelling has turned off, then autocorrect has turned off, then smart compose has turned off, then smart compose personalization has turned off, just because you disable this button called smart features. Now immediately after that, you see that it says Google Workspace smart features. Then guys, these are other important features you need to turn off right away on your email address to prevent Gmail from using your email activities to train their AI. Now click on the button that says smart workspace smart feature settings. Once you click on this button, then bring to this interface. Now here you have two important things: smart features in Google Workspace, then this one that says smart features in Google Product. So if any of these two settings is turned on, click on it, turn it off, then click on this one to turn it off, then click on this save button. Once you click on this save button, then every conversation on your Gmail address is fully safe and secured. It means nobody or Google will not be able to access anything you are doing on your device. So guys, that's all on how to prevent Gmail from using your email address to train their AI machine. If you enjoy what I've explained this video and if you're not subscribed, please can subscribe and don't forget to like, share. See you soon guys on our next video.